In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Jotform after submission. Whether you're an admin wanting to alter a submission yourself or a user who needs to update your response, this guide will walk you through each process smoothly and efficiently. To begin, let's cover how you, as an admin or form owner, can edit submissions directly from your Jotform tables. Start by navigating to your Jotform tables by selecting My Forms at the top of your dashboard. Once there, find the form you're interested in and click the More option, followed by Submissions. This action will take you to a view where all of your form submissions are displayed in a table format. Here, you'll want to locate the specific row that contains the submission you need to update. You can easily identify it by scanning through the entries or using the search feature if you have a lot of data to sift through. Once you've found your target row, right-click on the entry or alternatively click the More menu that appears on the row itself, then select Edit Entry. Doing so will open up the form in edit mode, allowing you to make any necessary modifications. After you've completed your changes, simply resubmit the form to save the updated information. Now, transitioning to our second method, let's discuss how you can empower your respondents to edit their own submissions. This approach involves incorporating an edit link into the email notifications or autoresponders that get sent out upon form submission. To set this up, head over to the form builder and then navigate to Settings followed by Emails. Here you can edit either the notification email, which is the version sent to you, the form owner, or the autoresponder email, which is sent directly to the form respondent. Once you're in the email editor, you'll need to focus on inserting a special tag that allows editing. Click on Form Fields within the editor, then choose Edit Link. This action will automatically insert a tag that looks like this, Edit Link. It's this tag that will enable the edit functionality within the email. Make sure to arrange this tag in a clear and easily accessible location within your email template. Once the setup is complete, save your changes. When the email with the edit link is sent out, the recipient will see an option to click a button or link that directly opens their submission in edit mode. This feature provides tremendous flexibility for users as they can review and correct their submissions without having to contact you for assistance. And that's it. Whether you prefer a hands-on approach as an admin or an autonomous experience for your users, by following these steps, you can efficiently manage and revise Jotform submissions post-submission. I hope you found this guide helpful and don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher.